Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing good and I hope you guys are staying healthy and safe. So I'm back again with another book review. I've just now completed reading a really beautiful book, that is The 5 People That You Meet in Heaven by Mitch Albom. So Mitch Albom is the same author who wrote Tuesdays with Morrie in the year 1997. I read that book a couple of years back, and since then it is one of my favorite books of all times. So I've gifted that book to a lot of people, and that book is really close to my heart. Just like Tuesdays with Morrie, The 5 People That You Meet in Heaven is also really close to my heart now. And this is one of the sweetest books that I've ever read. And I'm not just saying it for the sake of it, I really mean it, because there are moments in this book which will take your breath away. There are moments which will make you pause and reflect on your own life. See the people around you and see the relationships that you share with those people. So this story is about Eddie. He's a mechanic in an amusement park and he dies due to a tragic accident. And when he reaches heaven, he meets 5 people. And those 5 people have something to tell him about his life on earth and what was the purpose of his life. So I cannot tell you more about the story of this book. I want you to read it yourself and find out what happens next. But I can tell you, this book will make you reflect on your own life. This book will make you understand that each and every individual that comes into your life has a very important role to play. As I said, this is really beautifully written by Mitch Albom. He has a very unique style. He's a very poetic style of writing, and his forte is writing about life, grief, death, and human relations, which makes his writing even more special. The story of this book is so thought-provoking that the story of Eddie stays with you even after you are done with the book. I request you guys to please read this one. It's a must-read recommendation from my side. This is of 206 odd pages and of this much of size, so you can finish it off in one sitting. But I would suggest you guys to just go through each and every page, because each and every page and each and every chapter has something to teach you, and you'll learn a lot of things by reading this book. Give this one a read. Tell me in the comment section what you think about this book, and we can chat offline about this book if you want. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, you guys take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye.